Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with Ramoni. We are going to be doing a 10-minute yoga sculpt with some light weights. Let's start in a standing position, sweeping the arms up overhead and make your way into a forward fold. Slowly begin to roll up. Your head is the last thing to come up. Let's do that again. Lift your arms up overhead, making your way into a forward fold, but this time walking into a high plank. And now let's walk back into our forward fold. And we are going to stand up, rolling all the way up, reach the arms up, and let's repeat that. So you're just walking out into your plank and standing up. All right, let's walk out into our high plank one more time. And I want you to lower down onto your belly. Now from here, press your way back into a high plank and lower down onto the belly. Repeat that 5 more times. Let's press into our high plank and we go into some mountain climbers, pulling each knee into the chest. All right, 4 more. Last 3, last 2, last 1, and downward facing dog. Send the hips up and back. Let's rise up on the tippy toes and step to the top of our mat in a forward fold. Come into your halfway lift and forward fold, grabbing your weights. Let's come into our chair pose, sending our arms up with our weights. And now we send our arms to the back for our flying chair. Let's repeat that. Press those arms up into your chair pose and your flying chair. Continue to repeat this combo. Okay, last 3, last 2, last 1. Let's hold those arms back, pull them in, and press them back. We're doing some tricep kickbacks. We only have 6 more. All right, this is our last one. Let's hold our arms back and pulse the arms up for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Back into your chair pose. And we come into a forward fold. Take a little breather. Sit back into your chair pose, this time keeping the arms forward, pulling the arms back into a row. So pulling the elbows behind you, squeezing the shoulder blades together, engaging your core here. Last 2, last 1, and forward fold. Face the long side of your yoga mat, coming into a wide-legged forward fold, grabbing behind the legs. Grab your weights, and we are coming into a standing position, going into our side lunges, starting with the right. Lowering that weight all the way down to the foot as you lunge, sending the hips back. Now, if you want a little extra challenge, you can keep those arms out to the side so you can keep those arms straight. We have 2 more lunges, and this is our last one. Now let's shorten our stance, and we are going into some squats, sinking the hips low, sending the hips back. Make sure all of the weight is in your heels so your feet are completely flat on your yoga mat. Now let's add a knee after the squat. So pull your right knee up. We squat. You pull your left knee up. Engage your core every time you pull that knee up. This is our last one. Pull that knee up. And let's come into our mountain pose, pressing the arms up. Make your way into a one-legged mountain pose, lifting your right knee. And we take some shoulder presses, lowering the weights to the shoulders and then pressing up, engaging the core, balancing on that left leg. Two more. Last one, let's hold the arms up, straighten that right leg, and we hold for a few seconds here. For 3, 2, and relax. Shake your legs out. Make your way back into your mountain pose, lifting your left knee for one-legged mountain pose, and this time going into some shoulder flies. Lifting the arms up. Slight bend in the arms, engaging the core. Okay, we have 2 more, and you already know on this last one, let's hold, straighten that leg, and relax. Take a little breather, making your way into your forward fold, releasing your weights. Come into your halfway lift and your high plank. Let's slowly lower down onto the belly, pressing into an upward facing dog with hips, knees, and thighs off of the yoga mat. And we come into our tabletop position, extending our left leg behind us, pointing that toe. We have a little combo. You're going to crunch in, bringing the knee in towards the chest, and then crunch out, bringing the knee to the outside of the shoulder. Let's repeat that combo 4 more times. This is our last time. Bring it to the outside of the shoulder and relax that left leg, straightening our right leg behind us this time and doing our combo. So we pull that right knee in towards the chest, we straighten the leg, and now we pull it to the outside of our right shoulder and we straighten. Repeat that 4 more times. Now let's swing our legs around so that we come into a seated position. Grab a hold of one weight, straighten your arms in front of you, grabbing the weight. Slowly lower down onto your back. Let's do some sit-ups. So keeping the arms straight, you're going to roll up and then you roll back down. Really take your time with this and really control your movements. All right, last 3. 2 more. Last 1. Let's bend our arms, slightly lean back, twist over to the left and back to the center. We have 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Straight to the other side for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Let's do both sides for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. I know you're feeling the burn. Take a little breather, straighten the legs, extend the arms up on an inhale, and exhale, forward fold. Let's come to a cross-legged position. And we drop our right ear down towards the right shoulder, feeling a stretch in the left side of the neck. Bring your chin towards your chest and left ear to left shoulder. Come back to center as you sweep the arms up overhead, taking an inhale, and exhale, bring your hands to heart center. Thank you so much for joining me for our Yoga Sculpt class. I hope that you enjoyed it. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.